Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 won't start, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from a faulty power supply or a malfunctioning battery. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further complications, potentially damaging the internal components. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to diagnose and fix the problem. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if necessary. Begin by ensuring that your device is powered off and unplugged. To safely open the laptop, place it on a flat surface and use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, being cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Once inside, locate the battery. It's usually the large rectangular component connected to the motherboard. Check for any signs of swelling or damage, as these can indicate a battery issue. If you suspect the battery is faulty, gently disconnect the cables using the spudger. Be careful to apply minimal force to avoid damaging nearby components. Once the battery is detached, you can replace it with the new one. Align it properly and connect the cables securely. Make sure to use the appropriate screws to secure the battery back in place. When closing the laptop, ensure that no cables are pinched between the back cover and the casing. Press the back panel firmly until it clicks into place, then reinsert the screws. To verify that the laptop is functioning, plug it in and attempt to power it on. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check your battery health and avoid overcharging your device. Keeping your laptop clean and free from dust can also enhance its performance and longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.